Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, then hi, hello, welcome. So excited to have you guys here today. This is like the most excited I've been to share with you guys new plants that I've gotten. So we all know the craze about big box store plants, right? Like Lowe's, Home Depot. They've been getting a ton of amazing plants, specifically from Trending Tropicals by Costa Farms, and there's one other collection, Urban Jungle, that's just been so cute, and they've been getting beautiful, beautiful plants. I have to say though, the Costa Farms one, they give you really rare plants at really cheap prices, and they give you really full plants. So Urban Jungle, they're not always like the fullest, they're kind of small, but they're still cute and rare plants. However, Costa Farms is doing big things. You don't even find them at nurseries, and if you did, they'd be like hundreds of dollars because of their size. Like, I don't even think I'm exaggerating. So let me share with you guys the finds that I've recently got at Walmart. So I really didn't realize that Walmart had such amazing plants until about a few months ago. Their whole like scindapsus moonlight got in stock, and the raphidophora hayi, and then their raven ZZs. That's kind of what put them on the market to me, like to make it noticeable for me. Because of that, I recently started a new Instagram page called Walmart Plant Finds. So I've been trying to share with everyone locations and what are the new finds, because as soon as they put this stuff out, it does tend to sell out pretty quickly. I would say you have a few days, but you gotta kind of go get it. I would even say on the same day that you hear that they restock, because they do sell out fast. So I like to share with you guys when it comes in stock so that everybody can get their hands on them. But let me share with you guys what I recently got. So I'm gonna have to back up. I got this, so beautiful. It's a Cebu blue, and I had one that was like 1/20th of this size. It was so small. So when I did find this one, it had so many yellow leaves, which it's still getting yellow leaves right here from being extremely underwatered at Walmart. I watered this a few times since getting it, but I definitely don't want to overwater it. But I did give it a nice bottom water drink as well as a top spray, and since doing that, it's gotten these new beautiful shiny leaves. So I'm really happy about that. It's growing very fast. I did take a few cuttings already just to kind of promote new growth. Not necessarily that I needed cuttings of this plant, but I do want to promote it to grow more, even though like look how full it is. One of my favorite things about it is the size of some of these leaves. My old one did not have mature leaves like this. Like, you didn't see the veining. It wasn't as blue as this is. So it's so special to me. It's absolutely beautiful. This trail is new, you guys. So these 3 leaves on the bottom here were not here when I bought it. It stopped right there, and it's trailing. So I can only imagine how much more beautiful this is gonna get. This was $14.96. Amazing price, and such an easy plant, but it is rare and hard to find still. So happy I found this guy. The other one is just as big and growing, so let me share with you guys the next one. Oh my goodness. So this is a Hoya Crimson Princess, I believe. It's hard for me to know the difference between Queen and Princess, but I'm pretty sure this is a Crimson Princess. It has a lot of the pink coloration on the vine, which is, bro, this is insane. It's so cute. Hoyas for me always do grow really fast, but I did not expect this one to grow so fast. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new vines, 6, 7 new vines coming off the top, and it's just crazy. This, like, it was not vining at all. It just was like a bushy plant when I got it. This is all completely new. All these vines that are coming out are completely new. I don't even know what to do with it. I feel like I'm gonna have to propagate it soon and just clip it. Also $14.96, insane, amazing Walmart find. So with that being said, definitely make sure you follow my new Instagram page so you get notified as soon as Walmart does as soon as Walmart does update and get new stock, a new shipment. I will definitely be able to share that with you guys, so make sure you follow. I'm gonna do all over the country, not just Texas. I will post. I found a few people who had gotten these in SoCal, so I definitely will make sure to share all of that, so make sure you follow. And with that all being said, subscribe to my channel before you leave for new videos Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, all planty related, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.